The first thing I noticed about these T5 paint markers is the attention to detail in the packaging. So every single marker that comes in this pack is actually individually sealed in its own heat shrink film. And if sometimes you can get other art supplies, if you've ordered them online, that come in and it's leaked all over the box. So I definitely appreciate that they take care of their product with that extra step to make sure that they come out nice and fresh for the use that you're going to get out of them. These markers were gifted to me in this set to share with you, and what stands apart from this is they use a premium oil-based Japanese ink. So each pen is loaded with 5 milliliters of high opaque ink that's low odor, quick drying, totally waterproof. And because it's oil-based, it creates that permanent bond that's the water and fade resistant. So your outdoor projects or your handled crafts, they're gonna last over time as you use them because they have this really nice fade resistant oil-based paint. So let's try a quick example so you can see how it works. Obviously you have to load it because these are brand new. So you have to pump and prime to get that paint to start to flow. So now you can see that the paint has come through, and this is just a regular piece of paper. I just want to show you so you can see the design and the thickness of the application. So again, really nice. And then let's see how quickly it dries. Dry. And it's already dry, so no smear, which is nice. All right, so that's your close-up look. We'll take another closer look here so you can see even better. So the ink, it flows really smoothly and it doesn't flood, as you can see. So it's beautiful on wood, rock, glass, metal, fabric, and plastics as well. TFIVE, the brand, they also independently test every marker to ensure that the performance is good, and they have customer service that is able to help if you have any questions as well. So your next DIY project, this 8-pack is a fantastic find.